Weebly Website Builder Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we'll provide an honest review of the Weebly Website Builder so you can decide if it's the right platform for your needs. Links to the product are in the description. Weebly is a straightforward website builder known for its ease of use and beginner-friendly interface. It's designed for users who want to create a website quickly without needing to dive into complex customization. Weebly is particularly well-suited for small businesses, personal websites, and online portfolios. The platform offers a drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to add elements like text, images, and videos to your site, even if you have no technical skills. One of Weebly's strengths is its built-in e-commerce functionality, making it a solid choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to sell products online. The platform provides essential tools like inventory management, payment processing, and shipping options, all integrated into the user interface. Weebly also offers a decent selection of mobile responsive templates, though they are more basic compared to other website builders. This simplicity can be a benefit if you're looking for a quick setup, but it might feel limiting if you want a more polished or customized design. Weebly's SEO features are basic but functional, allowing you to optimize your site for search engines with customizable page titles, meta descriptions, and URLs. However, compared to other platforms, it lacks some of the advanced SEOs that more sophisticated users might require. So, is Weebly the right choice for you? If you're looking for a no-fuss website builder that's easy to use and comes with essential e-commerce features, Weebly is a great option. It's perfect for beginners and small business owners who need to get a site up and running quickly without too many bells and whistles. However, if you're looking for more advanced customization options or a wider range of design templates, you might find Weebly a bit too basic. Ultimately, Weebly offers a reliable, user-friendly platform, but it's important to assess whether its simplicity aligns with your specific website goals. Check out the link in the description to explore Weebly further and see if it's the right fit for you.